Hello, my name is Michael, and today I will review a popular Forex and CFD brokerage company called FP Markets. If you want to know about the regulation of the company, maximum leverage you can use here, trading platforms that the brokers offer for trading, as well as trading assets that you can trade here, stay tuned because I will cover all these topics right now. So to get to the FP Markets website, you can use either the link down below in the description, or you can type in your browser fpmarkets.com. Now, if you come from the UK, Norway, the Czech Republic, Poland, or any other EU country, this form will appear. Now you have to decide whether you want to stick with their EU brand or with their international brand. And there are some differences between these two. The main difference is that the EU brand is licensed and regulated in Cyprus by the CySEX, and this brand offers better investor protection scheme, but the maximum leverage here is quite limited. The international brand is not regulated but offers access to higher leverage. Now, if you come from countries such as Malaysia, South Africa, or other international country, this form will not even appear, and you will be automatically directed to their international brand. I will show you both options and how these two differ. So this international brand, as mentioned before, maximum leverage is 1 to 500, and fpmarkets.eu leverage is 1 to 30, and this brand is regulated by the CySEC, and this brand provides negative balance protection. The trading platforms and trading assets do not differ, so both international and EU brands of FP Markets offers the same trading platforms and trading assets. If you are on the homepage of FP Markets, you can see that they have on Trustpilot 4.8 stars out of 5, so this is a very good rating. And if you click on trading, you can see that they offer Forex, shares, metals, commodities, and indices. If you click on one of the categories, for instance Forex, you can see that they offer 60 plus currency pairs and up to 1 to 500 leverage. This is offered by the international brand. I think if you logged into your trading platform, you will also be able to see some cryptocurrencies. They are not listed here, but I believe FP Markets does also offer cryptocurrencies. Now, if you go to platforms, you can see that they offer a MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. These are very, very popular trading platforms among Forex traders, and you can trade with these platforms either via your web browser, or you can download them to your mobile phone or your tablet or your computer as well and trade from those. FP Markets does also offer live support, so you can hit in the right bottom corner live support, fill in your name and email, and start chatting with the company if you have any questions. I will also cover what funding methods and withdrawal methods the company supports. So if you go to Trading tab and click on Account Funding, you'll be able to see all the funding methods this company supports. So we have here credit and debit cards, bank transfers, some e-wallet payments such as Neteller or Skrill, and also local bank payment methods, which might be popular, for instance, in your country. If you go to trading and to fund withdrawal, you can see that they also offer credit and debit cards, Neteller, Skrill, and so for credit and debit cards there are no withdrawal fees, and it takes one business business day to process these withdrawals. For netter withdrawals, the withdrawal fee is 2%, up to 2%, and for scrap withdrawals is 1% plus country fees if applicable. So this is for the FP Markets review. If this review helped you in any way to get a better overall look of the company, please consider subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.